Hi homies, welcome to a brand new Airbnb tour. Today I visited Zator, where you'll find this beautiful tiny house complex. This place is perfect for anyone who wants a calm and stylish stay, at the same time wants to be just a few minutes from Poland's biggest amusement park, Energylandia. The complex has many different houses, so everyone can find one they like. I honestly haven't seen a better selection of tiny houses than here in Zator. Enough talking homies, let's check it out together. The space feels very cozy to me. The interior features a combination of natural and bleached wood with grey furniture and colorful accessories for contrast. The cabin offers a fully equipped kitchen, a bathroom and 2 bedrooms with a living area where up to 6 people can sleep. Let's take a look at the kitchen, which definitely has a lot to offer. As I already mentioned, it allows for full cooking with everything you might need. You'll find a dishwasher, convection oven, fridge, electric hob, coffee maker with a kettle, and the deep sink then can handle a mountain of dishes. The wooden countertop looks elegant, and the massive white sink fits in perfectly. The upper shelves serve as a place to store dishes and decorations. The kitchen is beautifully lit thanks to a window above the counter. Right next to it is a dining nook with a comfortable armchair, a built-in bench and the window positioned directly in the middle of the table. At the breakfast you can enjoy not only your coffee but also a beautiful view of the whole complex, watching guests arrive or leave. Part of the kitchen are these clever spiral stairs that hide extra storage space, which is perfect for such a small area. Through sliding doors we move into a spacious bathroom that matches the rest of the interior perfectly. It is fully equipped with a washing machine and a practical shelf above it for necessary items. And of course, a flush toilet. The main feature of the space is the elegant grey cabinet under the sink, matching the kitchen cabinetry. Absolutely stunning, it's a huge glass shower with sliding doors, tiled with large white tiles. It feels very minimalistic and offers plenty of space for showering. Above the bathroom is the first of 2 bedrooms with a comfortable double bed. Thanks to 2 windows, this upper sleeping area is beautifully bright. The real design gems are the large stylish lamps that decorate the whole space. When the air conditioning is on, they gently sway in the airflow, creating a pleasant and calming atmosphere. The living area looks truly beautiful. The main feature is a canary yellow sofa, complemented by a wall-mounted unit matching the colors of the entire interior. For relaxing moments there are books in Polish for keen readers or a TV with a rich selection of channels, so you won't be bored even on rainy days. The sofa is decorated with matching cushions and a throw, and because it is extendable, it can also comfortably serve as a bed for 2 more people. Above the living room there is the second sleeping area with a double bed, accessible via this wooden ladder. Outside each cabin has its own fire pit with several loungers. I think that evening by the fire with a glass of wine is the perfect way to spend off summer night. The cabins are connected by a long stride of lights with bulbs, adding a magical atmosphere. The cabins offer a truly wide range of possibilities, and if I can be honest, it's worth visiting them. The owners are absolutely wonderful, and their cabins are simply stunning. Don't forget to support me so you won't miss any more Airbnb tour. Take care homies, see you next time.